Whole salmon with apples and beets. A main dish from Iceland. Serves 4. You will need 8 ingredients. Step 1. Clean the fish, but do not remove head or tail. Remove viscera and clean fish well. Sprinkle with salt and let stand for a few minutes. Step 2. Melt butter in a large kettle or deep frying pan and brown the fish on all sides. Pour the boiling water over the fish and simmer until tender. Step 3. Place the whole fish on a serving platter. Keep hot. Step 4. Cook beets until softened, or use canned. Peel or chop or cube. Step 5. Mix 1 tablespoon water, 1 tablespoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon sugar, and pour over beets. Let stand for half hour or longer. Drain. Or mix beets with a little sour milk or sour cream. Chop or cube raw or cooked apples. Place small mounds of apples and beets around fish. Between mounds, place lemon quarters and celery. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.